Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset LeadEdge A20 camera. And to do this, first we'll need to disconnect the camera from our phone. So I just disconnected my camera, and now make sure that your camera is powered on, and I recommend to also connect it to the power charge. So quick reboot. And then we need to click on the power key when you have a display on until you see the settings. Here we have it. Then click again on that same power key till you enter the wrench icon right here. Now scroll down and locate reset. Here it is. Click on the shutter key when you're hovering over reset, and then confirm it with shutter key again. And basically factory reset is finished. All of the settings should be restored to default. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.